This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can possibly earn like a pro trader without any knowledge, without any experience as a trader. You only need to follow a simple copy-paste formula. These days, everybody's telling you, invest in this coin, invest in that coin. In the end, you don't know what to do, but don't worry. Right here, we don't need to do any crypto market research. You might be thinking, that's impossible. We need to learn how to trade. We need to learn how to read charts. We need to learn about open positions or lot size. Maybe we need to install the software and all of that stuff related to crypto trading, but you do not have to do that. This is a cloud-based tool that has a super smart algorithm. We don't need to download anything. We don't even need VPN. You can just set up your account, probably turn on the compounding option, and let your account grow. This tool is capable to do all the heavy lifting for us. But what about the transparency? What about the security? And this is the best part. You always have full control of your money. Your crypto is always inside your Binance account or your MetaMask wallet. This system is only doing the trading, but they don't have access to our money. So we have a very smart algorithm doing all the heavy lifting for us, giving us the best options in the market. We also have security. We have full control of our money. But what about profitability? There are great tools offering amazing results, but in the end, the profits cannot even cover the subscription. Well, this tool is super affordable. We need to pay only 25 USDT for 1 year. We can run as many bots as we want. We also have a service fee, but that one can be covered from the profits that this tool is going to generate. I've been using this bot for the last 2 months, and if you take a look at my account, my total profit is sitting right now in 2,061 USDT. In the last 30 days, I got a 1,728. In the last 7 days, we got 788. And only today, in the last 24 hours, this tool has generated 170 USDT. Completely passive. Yesterday was one of the best days for this tool. It made me almost $300 in only 1 day. All of these results depends on the market, the fluctuation of the coins, the capital that you're investing, the initial lot size. So you have to understand that here we don't have a fixed number because this is real trading. Right now we are in the middle of a season with a lot of volatility. This automation is prepared for any type of conditions. It doesn't matter if the market goes up, if the market goes down, if the market goes sideways. It's always going to take the best option for us to generate profits. Now, as I mentioned already, we don't need to do any market research because right here, if we click in trends, they are giving us a list of the most popular coins or the most successful coins in the last 30 days, 7 days, 24 hours. So they are giving us all that we need in order to run a successful bot. If you've been following the channel, you already know this tool. If this is your first time here, well, let me introduce you to Jonny Blockchain, the first decentralized crypto trading bot that we can use with pancakeswap or with Uniswap. We can use our MetaMask wallet to do all of this, or you can also use it with your Binance account. I've personally been using the Binance automation. I got started with a couple of hundreds back in January. Well, I top it up here and there. I'm also compounding in some of the bots. I'm also taking profits to open new bots. Now my account is sitting in over 5,000. Well, I have in Binance over 6,000. I have 22 bots actively running. I spread my capital in all of those coins. Let me show you the results with Santos. This is sitting right now in a 240% total ROI. Amazing results. This one called it already produced a 408% total ROI. We have a 4x right there. Another one right here, Inject, with a 225% ROI. Some others with smaller returns. And I say smaller compared to the others, but still we have a 59% here, 82% on this one. We all know how crazy is Bitcoin these days. I put a small amount on this one and it already generates a 72%. And all of these are profits. Agix with over 253% ROI. Jasmy with a 164%. Fed 324%. So this is absolutely insane. And let me refresh again, because you might think this is not real. This is actually happening. It all depends on the capital that you want to allocate in each one of the bots. Most of my bots are between 100 to 600. This tool is not going to trade the full amount that you allocate. And that's something that I really like, because it's part of the risk management. They are only trading with the initial lot size. When you create a bot, you have the option to decide how much you want to allocate on that one. You can change this amount just by clicking this button. You can add more money or less money. It all depends on your risk capital. But right here, we need to decide the initial lot size. That's the first amount we're going to use to open the trades. I have a video where you can copy all my settings. I explain all the steps one by one in that video. The exact settings I'm using to generate these kind of returns. If you want to see it, I'm going to put it right here in the top corner. But anyways, another thing that I really like about Jonny Blockchain is that after you register, you're going to have access to this step-by-step user's guide. Right there, they are going to give you a list of all the steps you need to follow to get started. If you are using a computer, if you are using your mobile, if you want to use your MetaMask wallet, these are all the steps that you need to follow. They explain the fees, how to integrate your Binance account. They also have an open Telegram community. You can access that community by clicking in this logo. That's the best place to go if you have any extra questions. Or you can also get in touch with me. I have an open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. I'm always happy to help you. Doesn't matter if you're part of my team or not. So if you're looking for a real trading opportunity, here you have a very smart automation to do all of that. It's secure and also it's profitable. I have the chance to try some similar bots in the past. To me, Jonny Blockchain stays in the top of the list for all the reasons that I gave you already, and also because it's super affordable. If you want to talk more about this opportunity, you can find me on Telegram. If you found some value here, I will invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you in advance for your support, and I hope to see you in the next video, where I'm going to show you my progress and my earnings inside Jonny Blockchain. Have an amazing day. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.